Today's quick project shows how to whip up no-bake energy bites in minutes. In a bowl, mix rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, and a splash of vanilla until the mixture sticks together. Stir in mini chocolate chips and chopped nuts for texture, then scoop and roll into bite-sized rounds. Chill for 15 minutes, then store in an airtight container for a grab-and-go snack. With this simple recipe, anyone can level up snack time and impress friends at a moment's notice. Customize with dried fruit or seeds to match your taste and vibe.